Hey guys, what is up? MV Exploring here, and today we're gonna be exploring this abandoned shack. It looks really creepy, it's really destroyed, and I can't wait to explore with you guys. So let's go. Hey guys, take a look at this. This is an abandoned Cadillac, and it has an abandoned, and look, it has an abandoned ticket. Okay guys, I hope you can see me just fine. I can't really get the exposure correct, so you guys have to bear with me. Also, it might be a bit shaky because the ground is really uneven here. So yeah, and I just about see it. There it is. It looks really dangerous because it's really collapsed and all. This is my friend, by the way. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, he's a bit weird. So, like cactuses, trailer. Why the hell is there a trailer here? I need a stick because now in Cyprus there's a bunch of snakes. So I have to be careful. I'm scared not of the place. I'm scared of the snakes, dude. The snakes, man. Oh look, there's even like a trail here from the people who are walking. I'm really scared of the snakes. This trailer is creepy, dude. Take a look. Why the hell are you showing that?
I don't know. I just found it.
Yep. Oh, that's... I thought there was like a bumping, like a knocking sound. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, let's take a look around the place and then we're gonna go in. Look how collapsed it is. Seriously, dude, look how collapsed. If the roof falls, Jesus. Okay, guys, if you can see me, if you're watching this video, then we're live. Like, so let me take my flashlight out. Yeah, watch out for the snakes, dude, okay? We found some really old watch. It looks really old, dude. Okay, this is scary because of the snakes. Look at this, dude. I'm actually freaked out right now because of the snakes. Look at this thing.
That's a shoe.
There's a shoe. Where's the shoe?
Here.
Why are you picking it up? Ew. That's a really old shoe, man.
What is that? That's a mask.
And there's a mask. A diving mask. That's so weird.
I flip flop.
Guys, look, it will fall on us any second. That is so scary. I can hear some sort of animal in here. Okay, the flashlight is ready. Why the fuck is there so many potatoes? Dude, what the hell? There's like potatoes here. Why the hell are there potatoes here? Does somebody like live here or something?
No, people like potatoes, so that's why they say potatoes.
I still don't have the shot for the thumbnail. Look, it looks like people made like a floor here. So I think people are visit here. You ready? Wait, let me set my flashlight.
Whoa, it smells disgusting.
Yeah, it smells disgusting. It smells like shit.
And you guessed it. Look.
Look, and that thing is wobbling, and the roof can collapse.
Hey man. You're kind of right about.
Now look at the roof, it's collapsing, dude. So many trash. I hate the people that trash the place. Ew, there's shit. There's shit right here, dude.
There's a duck.
Duck?
A duck.
A duck? Why the fuck is there a duck?
No, look at this.
Why is there a fuck duck?
I don't know, it's a duck.
Oh shit, it's a fuck duck. Hi, fuck duck. That's creepy. Here, there's a bunch of shit. I don't think I can use my flashlight. It's pretty bright in here. Okay, guys, there's also a TV. Also, my battery is running out. I hope I can record something for you guys. Look, the roof is collapsing. I wonder what this was.
This is food.
Okay, I can't go there. Snakes. Sorry. Dude, let's go. Look at the window. It's so creepy. Why are you picking that shit up? Dude, don't pick that up. It's
Maybe
really
so.
dirty, man. 3 shacks. Yeah, so we found a collapsing roof. It's creepy. We found an abandoned trailer too. It's a creepy trailer. You wanna go in?
No.
Kill me. I hope you can see me like this. Take a look. There's like weird shit here. The floor is all shaky. Guys, we found a condom.